मुझे आज जल्दी निकलना है। I have to leave early today. I have to leave early today. मुझे अपनी सेहत की चिंता है। I am worried about my health. I am worried about my health. यह गलती दोबारा मत करना। Don't repeat the same mistake. Again, don't repeat the same mistake again. कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रहा है। Something doesn't feel right. Something doesn't feel right. क्या मैं कुछ भूल गया? Did I forget something? Did I forget something? मैं यह क्यों कर रहा हूँ? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? मैं सब कुछ सुन रहा था। I was listening everything. I was listening everything. वह तुमसे क्या कह रहा था? What was he saying to you? What was he saying to you? वे लोग तुम्हें क्यों बुला रहे थे? Why were they calling you? Why were they calling you? मैं और नहीं संभाल सकता। I can't handle more. I can't handle more. मैं तुम्हारा दर्द समझ सकता हूँ। I feel your pain. I feel your pain. आपने वाकई मुझे बचा लिया। You really saved my life. You really saved my life. मुझे थोड़ा विराम दो। Give me a break. Give me a break. मैंने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया। I have not eaten anything since morning. I have not eaten anything since morning. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है। I don't have anything. I don't have anything. मेरे बारे में मत भूलना। Don't forget about me. Don't forget about me. आप गलती कर रहे हैं। You are making a mistake. आप गलती कर रहे हैं। You are making a mistake. अपनी जैकेट उतारो। Take your jacket off. Take your jacket off. क्या आप चाय लेना पसंद करेंगे? Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? कृपया तेजी से जाएं। Please go faster. Please go faster. यह उसके लिए अच्छी खबर थी। It was good news for him. It was good news for him. क्या आज रात तुम खाली हो? Are you free tonight? Are you free tonight? मुझे नहीं लगता मैं इसके लायक हूँ। I don't think I deserve it. I don't think I deserve it. मैं आपके खिलाफ नहीं जाऊंगा। I won't hold it against you. I won't hold it against you. इसमें मेरे पास कोई विकल्प नहीं है। I have no choice in this. I have no choice in this. मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है? What is happening with me? What is happening with me? अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do now? What should I do now? मेरे साथ ऐसा मत करो। Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. तुम बाहर क्यों गए? Why did you go out? Why did you go out? यह समय की बर्बादी है। It's a waste of time. It's a waste of time. मैं जल्द ही ऑफिस पहुंच रहा हूँ। I am reaching office soon. I am reaching office soon. तुमने मुझे क्यों छोड़ दिया? Why did you leave me? Why did you leave me? इसे टेबल पर रख दो। Put it on the table. Put it on the table. क्या तुम उन्हें जानते हो? Do you know them? Do you know them? मैं उन दोनों को जानता हूँ। I know both of them. I know both of them. आज मुझे बहुत से काम करने हैं। I have to do lots of work today. I have to do lots of work today. वापस कब आओगे? When will you come back? When will you come back? तुम हमेशा मुझे रुलाते हो। You always make me cry. You always make me cry. कहीं जाना है क्या आपको? Do you want to go somewhere? Do you want to go somewhere? मैं जल्द ही घर पहुंच रहा हूँ। I am reaching home soon. I am reaching home soon. वे लोग काम कर रहे होंगे। They will be doing work. They will be doing work. क्या वे लोग सब सुन रहे थे? Were they listening to everything? Were they listening to everything? वह सो रहा होगा। He will be sleeping. He will be sleeping. वह खुश नहीं होगी। She will not be happy. She will not be happy. बहुत जोर से वर्षा हो रही थी। It was raining heavily. It was raining heavily. दरवाजा कौन खटखटा रहा है? Who is knocking the door? Who is knocking the door? ये आपकी हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा है। It is good for your health. It is good for your health. कृपया एक गिलास पानी लाएं। Please bring a glass of water. Please bring a glass of water. वह मुझे चुप चुप कर देख रही है। She is sneaking out at me. She is sneaking out at me. उसने अनजाने में मुझे दुख पहुंचाया। He unknowingly hurt me. He unknowingly hurt me. मैं कब तक तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा? How long will I support you? How long will I support you? वो कितनी बार मुझसे मिलेगा? How many times will he meet me? How many times will he meet me? मुझे पैसे की सख्त जरूरत है। I am in a dire need of money. I am in a dire need of money. मैं उसे शर्ट पहना रहा हूँ। I am making him wear the shirt. I am making him wear the shirt. मुझे किसी तरह पता चल गया। I somehow got to know about it. I somehow got to know about it. मैं एक गली से गुजर रहा था। I was passing through a street. I was passing through a street.